Hello and welcome. This 5-minute guided meditation is designed to help you lovingly face and ease the anxiety within your body. Before we begin, a gentle reminder. This practice is not a substitute for medical treatment, but serves as a tool for comfort and mindfulness. If you're experiencing intense anxiety, you might also explore our extended meditative practices linked below. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether seated or reclining. If you need, feel free to pause the video to adjust yourself. Once you're ready, allow your body to soften, your gaze to lower, and gently close your eyes. As we begin, affirm this to yourself. It is safe to go within. It is safe to be in my body. Take a deep breath in, allowing your stomach and ribcage to fully expand. As you exhale with a sigh, release any tension, judgment, or resistance. Repeat this a few times at your own pace, feeling yourself settle into this safe, present moment. Now, let your breathing find its natural rhythm, your belly expanding on each inhale and gently contracting on each exhale. Let your upper chest remain calm and still as you focus on the rise and fall of your breath. This is your anchor in the present moment. With this gentle, steady rhythm, turn your attention inward and observe any sensations in your body. You might notice tension, tightness, or that familiar anxiety. Wherever it resides, greet it with kindness. Gently say, "Hello, I welcome you with open arms and an open heart." Affirm to yourself, "I will not push you away or force you out. I allow you to flow through me freely." Let these words settle into your awareness as you breathe gently, letting go of the need to resist or judge whatever arises. Now, shift your focus to freedom. Say to yourself, "You are free to move through me. I no longer need to hold on to you." Breathe in openness and forgiveness. Release each thought, sensation, and emotion, one exhale at a time. Feel your body becoming lighter, freer with each passing moment. If it feels right for you, gently place your hands over your heart as a gesture of compassion and connection. Whisper to yourself, "Thank you, body, for holding me, for teaching me, for showing up for me. I love you." Take one more deep breath in, feeling your body grounded and supported. Exhale fully, releasing any last bits of tension. Trust that your body knows how to heal and how to let go. Whenever you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently blink your eyes open and return to this present moment at your own pace. Thank you for trusting yourself. With this practice today, remember, you have the strength and ability to face whatever comes your way. Feel free to return to this meditation whenever you need it and share it with someone who might need a moment of calm too. Like, subscribe, and explore our channel for more guided meditations to bring peace into your day.